Todaraba. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, so the dancers are ready. Okay, to give an intermission numbers, I hope you can join with them. Let us welcome Miss Sheila and Miss Charlotte. A big hand of applause, please. Ipon daw po ng konti natin na mesa. Okay na? Okay.
Ay, sandali ah. Sandali. Lilipat ako. Boss, sandali. Daan.
Wala nang tatambling.
Boss, daan, lilipat ako.
Wala bang kamay? Alright, thank you very much, Miss Sheila and Miss Charlotte. Alam nyo, dapat kasali kami doon. Kaso, hindi kami kasya. Kasali dapat si Mom Tess, no? Ayan, dapat may mga members din pong kasali. Kaso hindi po ganun ka-sexy eh. Kaya hindi na kami sumali. Kaya, girls, diet. Alam ko yung mga nandun kaya nagtayo, they would like to join also. Di ba? Ayun. Gusto nilang sumali. So, next time, next year, sa 3rd year anniversary, lahat nasasali. Okay. So, let us proceed to the induction of officers. So, members and officers, are you ready? Okay, so let me call in the inducting officers. Our Ambassador, His Excellency Generoso D.G. Calongan. Palagpakan naman natin si Sir. Okay, so one by one na po tayo. I would like to call on my Vice President, Internal, Ms. Mylene Mauhay. So, Ms. Secretary, pwedeng pakibigyan natin ng isa-isa, okay? And my Internal Vice President, Mr. Lednar Sajed. A round of applause, everyone. Okay, let me call in Ms. Geraldine Gabriel, our Secretary, and Ms. Eden Minas Bukid. Our Treasurer, Ms. Vicky Panoringan, and Mr. Chaldon Cabato. Okay? Let me call in the auditor, Mr. Gabriel Garcia and Mr. Mel Pernia. Our business manager, Mr. Tom Montevirgen, Ruben Yonsky Baldonado. And the press relation officer, I'd like to call in Ms. Josephine Sanglitan and Ms. Ofrecina Juenas. Our Sergeant at Arms, Mr. Joel Adolfo Jr., Mr. Eric Carpo, and Mr. Jennison Banda. Okay, so please form a line from your right to left, yung pong the position from the yung pa pala, President po at your service. Sorry po.
Okay. Sige lang. Mangyari yung tasang nga ng kamay at sumunod sa akin. Ako si. Ang pangalan nyo. Pinoy Photography Society in Israel. Ay taimtim na nanunumpa. Tutuparin ko ng buhusay at katapatan sa abot ng aking kakayahan ang mga tungkulin ng aking kasalukuyang katungkulan at ng mga iba pang maaring gampanan ko sa ilalim ng Republika ng Pilipinas at ng Pinoy Photography Society in Israel. Na aking itataguyod at ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas at ang batas ng aming sapian ang tunay na mananalig at tatalima ako dito na susundin ko ang mga batas kautosang legal at mga dekretong pinaiiran ng mga sadyang tinagdang otoridad na patuloy akong makikipagtulungan para sa kabutihan ng mamamayang Pilipino sa Israel at sa aming bayan at pusa kong babalikatin ang pananagutang ito nang walang anumang pasubali o hangaring umiwas. Kasiyahan nawa ako ng Diyos Ama. Congratulations sa inyo lahat.
Thank you po, sir. Okay, you may go back to your seat. Sir, one more picture taking po. Okay. Officers. Sister na. Ma'am Tess, please join us po. Mr. Simi Jen. Palakpakan naman po natin.
Can ever. Brooks na natin.
Miss Jen, where are you now?
I need you, my house and fire. You come to me wild and wild. Oh, you come to me, give me everything I need. You're like some roses and the world's a dream. Still I wait your love like you know what it means. Ooh, it can be wrong. Take my heart and make it stronger. You sent me the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. Anyone I've ever met. I'm stopped on your heart. Or held any word you say. Tears apart. No. Baby, I would rather be dead. In your heart, see the stars every night and every day. In your eyes, I get lost, I get washed away. Just as long as I'm here in your arms, I could be no better place. You're simply the best, better than all the rest, better than anyone I've ever met. I stopped on your heart. I heard any word you say. Tear us apart. No. Baby, I would rather be dead. Each time you leave me, I'm still losing control. You walk on my way with my heart and my soul. But I can feel you around now. Oh, baby, don't let go. You're the best, better than all the rest, better than anyone I've ever met. I stopped on your heart. I heard every word you said. Tear us apart. No. Baby, I would rather be dead. You're the best. Thank you once again. Happy anniversary. Keep us